Hi guys, welcome to back on my channel. Now today we are unboxing something really amazing. Like actually, it's really amazing. Let's show you. It's the magical adventure begins. Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling herself. Now, first one, two Harry. One is good. A magical adventure begins. 1. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. 2. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. 3. Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. 4. It includes 3 bookmarks which are not in the book, which are not written. Now let's open it and see what is there. What? The books just come like this. Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. It's closer now. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. 25 years of Harry Potter magic. Yeah. So guys, you could read the back cover. I'm going to show it to you. Here it is. It's the first book. Here it is, guys. It's the first book. Second one. Here it is. There it is. Here you go. You can read it. Third book, The Prisoner of Azkaban. There you go. The first cover. Second cover. And third cover. This it. Now it's time to pack it up. So guys, watch me suffer as I pack it. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna put the mobile right over here so you guys can watch me. Now, as you all can see, this is the box, right? One, I'm gonna put the Prisoner of Azkaban. I think that's his name. Chamber of Secrets. A Philosopher's Stone, which actually looks kinda like Sudhamurti. Sorry, J.K. Rowling, if I'm offending you. Guys, I bought this on Amazon. Yep, exactly. Amazon. It's actually a very fun thing to read because it's 3 books mixed in one. Now it's time for me to suffer by putting the last book in. If you don't know, we gotta like stretch the thing that right there. Now this is what it looks like. It looks like here are the 3 books. Here is the list of the books. Oh my. Sorry guys. That is it for the video. Bye bye. Yeah.